Welcome back to Zeno Page Builder. Today we are going to learn how to use the button element. The button element is useful for create interactive and clickable buttons on the page. You can make it redirect to a URL, scroll to a section on the page, send an email, or even make a phone call. Here I have a button element on the page. You can click inside the button to change the text like this. Let's walk through the options the button element has to offer. First, we have button link. You can set a link for the button to a URL like this. You can make the button to open link in a new tab. Enable button icon. You can change the button text color or button color like this. You can enable hover options for even more color options. Text hover color, I want to make it a little bit transparent. Button hover color, I also want to make it a little bit transparent. And you see the hover effect like this. You can change the font for the button. Font size. Adjust the font weight to normal, to bold, or to light. You can make the button full width so it will take all the space of its parent, like this. Align it to the left, to center, or to the right. You can adjust the button padding. The width and height of the button are calculated from the padding. For example, I will increase the padding and you will see the button's width and height are changed. You can also adjust the margin for the button. Go to the Advanced tab. You can enable or disable visibility for the button on desktop, on tablet, or on mobile. You can adjust opacity for the button. Add a background color for it, or a background image. You can enable border. Adjust border radius, border color, for example to red, and you see border style. You can enable box shadow. I will change the shadow color so you will see it clearly, like this. You can also add animation for the button. The button link option not only allows you to set a link for the button, it is more powerful. You can click on choose link and you can make it to download a file. You can upload a new file or choose an uploaded file. You can also make the button to scroll to a section on the page. Let's say we want to make this button to scroll to this section. When we click on it, I will first choose this section and set an ID for it. Come back to the button. I will click on choose link, go to scroll to, and I can just choose this row. I will save it and publish the page. On the live page, I can click on this button and you see it scroll to this section. You can even make this button to send an email, for example, to support@zenobuilder.com. The subject is a question about button. And message should be some content here. You can also make the button to make a phone call by going to Phone tab and type the phone number here. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials and tips on mastering Zeno Page Builder.